Hello everyone, very warm welcome all of you. In this session guys, I am going to discuss you problems of industrial engineering. The first problem that we have with reference to economic order quantity EOQ model, which one of the following option is correct? So guys, we have discussed all types of cost in industrial engineering. This is the curve for total cost, that is the curve one. And you know very well the point at which the holding cost and ordering cost intersects, right? That is called your, this is the point, right? Break even point. And here holding cost intersects the ordering cost, means this point is called EOQ, right? EOQ point, economic order quantity. So which means guys, you know that, the formula that holding cost is directly proportional to the quantity. So this line P2, the curve P2 is the holding cost, P1 is the total cost. So this is very simple. This is your total cost. This is your holding cost, straight line holding cost, and this one P3. P3 is your, my dear, ordering cost. Ordering cost is parabolic. This is your ordering cost, and the last one straight line is a non-productive cost, right? This is called your non-productive cost. So ordering cost we can also call it as a setup cost. Therefore, the correct option is A, right? Total cost, curve P2 is your holding cost, P3 is setup cost, and P4 is the production cost. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So this is the production cost, this line is. So this is very easy problem. So right answer for this is option number A. Next guys. Next, this graph is given to us. Which one of the following options represent the feasible region? Okay, ये आपको maximize करना है. ये constraints दिया हुआ है. These are the constraints. You have to maximize this and just locate which one is the feasible region. Region P, region Q, okay, region S, region R. So ये these are the constraint which is drawn. So first of all, we have to solve this, right? Then only we can do this. See, my dear. How can we do this? Very easy problem. First of all, draw the constraints, the constraint which we have given. So we have to maximize Z is equals to 45x1 plus 60x2. So 45x1 plus 60x2. Okay. This is your Z. Now the next constraints are x1 is equals to 45. That is the first line. Less than, it's okay, no problem. Less than equals to 45. X2 less than equals to 50. Next constraint is your, we can write x1 plus x2. x1 plus x2 greater than equal to 60. x1 plus x2 greater than equal to 60. Okay, so you may write like this: x1 by 60 plus x2 by 60 greater than equal to 1. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. This is the equation number 3. Now the next equation. Next equation is 25, to which we can write like this: x1 by 30. x1 by 30 plus x2 by 750 by 5, that is 150, is less than equal to 1, right? So x1 by 30 plus x2 by 150 less than equal to 1. Less than equal to 1. Okay, no problem. So ये 4 equation है. These 4 equations we have to draw the graphs, and once we draw we will get the answer. Okay, so now subject to constraint. So first of all, draw the straight lines. X1 and X2. This is your X1 and this is your X2. First line is your X1 less than 45, X2 less than 50. X1 less than 45, X1 45. Okay, so suppose I am denoting it like this at 30 interval I am considering it. Suppose this is your 30, this is your 60, this is your 90, this is your 120, this is your 150. Again, this is your 30, this is your 60, this is your 90, this is your 120, and this is your 150. Okay. This is nothing but X2. Okay. So guys, 45 is required. So X1 is equals to 45, means 45 will be here. So this is going to be a 45. But it is like this. Clear? Because it is what? Less than. X1 less than. If you put the value here 0, 0 is less than 45, means 0 को satisfy कर रहा है ना, origin को satisfy करा के देख लो, कर रहा है मतलब इधर वाला origin. Now next constraint is your X2 is 50, 50 will less than, means 50 will be here. It is also less than, means like this. Next is your, my dear, 60, 60 greater than 60, 60 greater than means it will be away from this. And next is, my dear, 30 and 150. 30, X1 is 30 and this is 150, means it will be like this. 30 and 150, but the sign is less than. Sign is less than means it will be. Now, my dear, when you see all the region, it is going to be your feasible region. This is going to be your feasible region because greater than this, less than this, so this is going to be your feasible region. So therefore, you may denote it like this, very small part. This is the feasible region. So therefore, the right answer will be, this is your A, this is your B, this is your C. So now you compare this drawing with the options given. So it is absolutely clear if this is your feasible region. This is your feasible region, right? It is absolutely clear from this drawing. So therefore, right answer is option number, region number Q, right? So you have to just draw the diagram, and it is absolutely clear. So this question was very easy, and it was given in the 1 marks problem. Therefore, I hope it is understood. Thank you for watching me. There is no problem left for industrial engineering now. Bye. Thank you, everyone.